Hey everyone, today I'm gonna be making carrot pie. It's definitely a family recipe. Actually, is it a family recipe? I don't know, but I got it from my mom, so that makes it a family recipe. Carrots. There was no other choice for me than to talk about carrots because we are making carrot pie. Almost 90% of all the carrot is just water. That was a little surprising fact. The rest of it, it's little bits of pieces of different things, but the other most important thing is its vitamins. The one that stands out the most is obviously vitamin A, called beta carotene. That's the vitamin that can turn our skin orange. Is that true? Yes. We have to eat about 10 carrots a day for 2 weeks to see our skin turning orange. But seriously, what are the benefits of carrot? The one obvious health benefit is for our vision. That is actually only true in people with vitamin A deficiency. Carrots have some other benefits. They can also lower cholesterol, they can improve our memory, they can improve our skin. The other big benefit is for people with diabetes, because carrots have natural sugar. It also helps fight cancers. Eat more carrots, people. They are healthy. Don't eat them too much so you don't turn orange, but eat them enough so you can get enough vitamin A. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you next time.